Alright, in this video I'm going to go over using one of these adapters to power up a dash cam. Basically they let you take power off of an auto dimming mirror and power your dash cam. Why? It's all about cable management. Using the cables that come with these dash cams inevitably results in them falling out from underneath the headliner or down the post. You've got cables running all over the windshield. It's an aesthetics thing for me. I'd rather not have all those cables there. Now, if you want to run a camera to the back, you may have to do it anyway, but if you don't have to, why not use one of these Dongar things? Dongar is the manufacturer of these cables. But anyway, before I get started, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and get notifications when I do videos in the future. Alright, so what this adapter does is it inserts this end into the mirror, and I'll show you shortly. The plug that was in the mirror goes into this. It has a 5-volt USB adapter, which you would use a USB cable to power up your dash cam. The nice thing is that they come with 3 adapters. So you have USB-C and USB micro, and the old USB, I don't even know what it's called, but the fat one. So it comes with all 3 cables. You don't have to buy them. So let me go ahead and show you how I'm going to do this. One of the things you want to make sure that you do before you order these is see how many pins your adapter has. I already pulled one off of this. It's a 12-pin adapter. They have 10-pin adapters or 7-pin adapters depending on the car and the vehicle that you have. I'm going to pull this out right here. You can see that's a 12-pin adapter. That should go right into the adapter, and then we should be able to plug this right in. Now we've got this little piece. Now the camera uses USB-C, so it's relatively up to date. Alright, so I'm going to plug in the USB-C adapter. And plug that into the camera USB-C slot. And then remount the camera, and we should be good to go. So here's what that ends up looking like, and it just keeps everything nice and neat. This actually has a little 3M tape, so if we wanted to stick it to, for example, back here, we could just get it out of the way, and I might end up doing that, but overall it is much neater. Of course, nothing is ever 100% complete until you test it, so let's add some power to this. We'll turn the key on in the car. There you go. We've got power on the rear view mirror, and we've got power on the dash cam. So I really like these things. I actually have a few of them. Here's some examples. So this is the back of the rear view mirror in the Honda. We've got one of these adapters here, and what you end up seeing is it's nice and neat, goes to the dash cam, no excess wires hanging around. Here I'm in the Toyota Tacoma, and as you can see, I also have one of these connectors on the Tacoma as well. And once again, nice and neat. There's not a whole lot of dangling wires, just one wire basically to power it up. Anyway, I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, hit share and like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.